Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your phone's location and data are on, and the Maps app is up to date. Next, type the exact address or select a saved place. This reduces ambiguity. Once done, choose driving as your mode and set preferences like avoid tolls or highways. Tap Start or go to Calculate Routes. You're now in the navigation flow. Watch the ETA and route preview so you know the expected time, distance, and any initial turns before you move. Once the app shows route options, compare them by travel time, distance, and current traffic conditions. Pick the one that fits your priorities. Make sure lane guidance and voice prompts are enabled so you get clear, hands-free instructions at exits and merges. If you need a stop, add it as a waypoint and the app will recalculate. You can preview any alternate route to see differences before switching. Also, turn on speed limit, displays if available, so you can monitor pace. You start driving and follow the voice directions and on-screen turn banners. Confirm exits early so you're in the correct lane. If traffic or a missed turn causes a reroute, make sure to glance at the updated ETA and comply with the new guidance. Don't try manual guessing. When you arrive, stop the route to end guidance. If things go wrong, quickly toggle GPS or the app, restart navigation, or switch to an offline map to recover guidance without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.